Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Make sure you know the Google account email and the current password. Once ready, open Drive. Google.com or go straight to your Google account security settings. This saves time. If you use two-step verification, have your phone or backup email available to receive codes because you will need them shortly. Do not create a new account. Change the existing password so Drive stays linked. Once done, move on to the password change controls in Security. From Security, select Signing in to Google and choose Password. You will be asked to re-enter the current password. This prevents unauthorized changes. After verification, type a new password twice. Aim for at least 12 characters with mixed uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols for better protection. Once you submit, Google may prompt for two-step verification to confirm the change. Make sure to update any devices or apps that use this account, because they might lose access until you sign in again. After changing the password, sign back into Drive and any connected devices so sessions sync properly. Then check recent security events and update app-specific passwords where required. This prevents background sync failures. If something goes wrong and you get locked out, use the account recovery flow or a trusted device to confirm your identity. Do not repeatedly guess passwords, since that can trigger extra verification. Finally, store the new password in a secure manager and enable two-step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.